Today I will show you how to use Cuisenaire rods to teach fractions. First, I would start with telling them that you can show 10. So here's our 10. So now, as a class, I would say, let's look and use our Cuisenaire rods to try and make other pairs that will equal the same length as the 10. So what they could do would be, they could have 2 5s. They can have 5 2s. And they can have 10 1s. Once we've gotten to this point, I would say, okay, students, so now we have all of the pairs that will equal up to 10. And I would show them how you have 10 1s that are the same length as our 10. We have 5 2s that equal our 10. And we have 2 5s that equal our 10. So then you could show this singularly as 5 tenths, which also would equal 1 half. You can also show 2 tenths, which would reduce down to 1 5th. And I'm running out of room, so we're going to do our, we'll do our 10 with 1 tenth, which does not reduce. So you have 1 tenth, 5 tenths, or 1 half, and 2 tenths, or 1 fifth. And this is all ways to show fractions. Okay, next I have a number line. For my number line, I'm going to use a 4. And my 4 is going to show me the distance between 0 and 1. So since my 4 shows me the distance between 0 and 1, that means it would take 4 1s, 4 1s to get from 0 to 1. So our dashes would go here, here, and here. And this would equal 0. Then you would have 1 4th. You would have 2 4ths, or 1 half. So this would be the halfway mark right here. You would have 3 4ths. And then you would have 4 4ths, or 1. This is just one more way to show students fractions. You can also teach addition with fractions with the Cuisenaire rods. For example, here I have 3 4ths plus 2 4ths. So we're trying to figure out what 3 4ths plus 2 4ths equals. Here I have it shown with Cuisenaire rods. 3 over 4 plus 2 over 4. So we know that if we move our 3 and 2 together, that is going to equal a 5. So we now have, we're going to move our 5 down, and we know that our denominator stays the same. So we'll move our 4 down. So our fraction now equals, equals 5 over 4. This would be an improper fraction. So to make this a proper fraction, we would have to go and we would take our 4 4ths that are left to make a 1, and we would have 1 4th left over. So we would write 1 4th. These are several ways to teach fractions. While researching, I found a lot of neat worksheets where it would leave spaces for you to place your Cuisenaire rods that taught kids different ways and ideas on how to teach with fractions.